Are you just getting started with investing and wondering about the best way to use Acorns? Specifically, should you use roundups or recurring investments? Or maybe both? This is a question a lot of new investors have, because while they both seem simple, they have very different impacts on your financial future. Let's break down each one. First, you have roundups. This is Acorns' signature feature. You link a card, make a purchase for, say, $4.50, and Acorns rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the 50 cents. It's designed to be a set-it-and-forget-it way to invest your spare change without even thinking about it. It's perfect if you're someone who struggles to save and wants to make investing a subconscious habit. The beauty is you barely feel it. That 25 cents from your morning coffee, the 10 cents from that online purchase, it all adds up in the background of your life. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone intimidated by the idea of investing a lump sum. Now, let's talk about recurring investments. This is where you take a more deliberate and consistent approach. You decide on a set amount, like $5 a day, $25 a week, or $100 a month, and Acorns automatically invests that specific amount on a schedule you choose. Unlike roundups, which are based on your spending habits, a recurring investment is a fixed contribution. This is the bedrock of building long-term wealth. It's disciplined, predictable, and ensures you're consistently putting money into the market, regardless of how much you're spending. This is also a classic example of dollar-cost averaging, which helps to smooth out the ups and downs of the market over time. So, which one is better? The truth is, it's not a competition. The best approach for most people is actually a combination of both. Think of roundups as your financial life piggy bank, a way to capture the small, unnoticeable bits of change that would otherwise be lost. Then, think of recurring investments as your financial engine, a powerful, consistent habit that drives your portfolio's growth over time. Using both gives you the benefit of consistency and the added bonus of catching every little bit of spare change. If you have to choose just one, prioritize the recurring investment. Why? Because it puts you in control and ensures a steady, reliable flow of money into your portfolio. It's the most effective way to leverage the power of compound returns over the long haul. Roundups are great, but they're too dependent on your spending, which can be inconsistent. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.